How to use Oxiclean. Is there anything Oxiclean can't clean? Oxiclean got its start in the laundry room. You can use it to boost the brightening power of your standard laundry detergent, or to treat a number of stubborn stains, but there are also a ton of other ways you can use it around the house. It's formulated with baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, so it's a great natural cleaner. Keep watching to learn how to use Oxiclean to do laundry and clean around your home. For formats for using Oxiclean around the house. 1. Powder. Add Oxiclean in its powdered form to laundry, or where called for as an ingredient in homemade cleaners. 2. Paste. Add 1 tablespoon of Oxiclean to 1 tablespoon of water and mix well. 3. Soak. Add a 1/4 cup of Oxiclean to 1 gallon of water to create soak for grimy items. If you need to fill a larger container, add a 1/4 cup of Oxiclean per gallon of water used. 4. Spray. Add 1 tablespoon of Oxiclean to 1 cup of water, stir to combine, then pour into a spray bottle for a multi-purpose cleaning spray. Welcome to Best Choices. Things you should know. 1. Wash your clothing with Oxiclean. You can add Oxiclean to a regular wash cycle, or use it to soak stained clothing for up to 6 hours before washing. 2. Clean your bathroom and kitchen. Oxiclean can remove soap scum from tile and grease grime from grout and kitchen appliances. 3. Sanitize kids' toys, sports gear, and pet supplies. All of these can be soaked for at least 30 minutes, and up to 6 hours. 4. Freshen up outdoor spaces. Oxiclean can freshen up outdoor furniture, and can even be used to brighten concrete and decks. How to use Oxiclean. Number 1. Laundry Booster. Add 1 full scoop of Oxiclean powder to keep your clothes looking bright. Just add the powder to your top loading machine along with your regular laundry detergent before you add the clothes. If you have a front loading machine, mix the Oxiclean with your regular powdered laundry detergent and load it into the dispenser. Oxiclean works best with warm or hot water. If you want to run a cold water load, dissolve the Oxiclean in 2 cups, 470 milliliters of hot water, and pour it into the machine as it fills with cold water. If you don't use powdered laundry detergent and you've got a front loading machine with an external dispenser, mix the Oxiclean powder with 2 cups, 470 milliliters of hot water, and pour it into the compartment before you start the load. Number 2. Removing clothes stains. Oxiclean lifts stains from coffee, grease, blood, makeup, and more. The next time you notice a stain on your shirt, don't panic, just mix half of a scoop of Oxiclean in 1 gallon, 3.8 L of water, and soak the item for up to 6 hours. Then, wash it like normal and the stain should be gone. If you'd rather spot treat the stain, make a small amount of Oxiclean solution and sponge it onto the spot. Then, sponge it off after 5 minutes. You can treat stained clothes in a large bowl, sink, or bathtub. Number 3. Cleaning carpet with Oxiclean. Blot stains and lift them with Oxiclean before they have a chance to set. If you've spilled a drink on the couch or someone spilled coffee on the carpet, press an old cloth on it. Fill the Oxiclean scoop up to the first line and mix it into 2 470 milliliters of warm or hot water. Dab or spray the solution onto the stain and let it sit up to 5 minutes, but don't let it dry. Then, blot the stain with a damp cloth to remove the solution. If the stain has already set or it's really deep, you might have to repeat this process. If you're treating a delicate rug or carpet, do a spot test first. Gently rub some of the Oxiclean solution into an inconspicuous spot. Blot it with a damp cloth and inspect the area to see if it damaged the rug. If not, you're good to go. If you're looking for a convenient option, get Oxiclean carpet and rug stain removing spray. This way you don't have to mix up a solution, just spray and clean. Number 4. Shower and bathtub. Cut through soap scum so your bathroom sparkles. Spray down the inside of your bathtub or shower area. Then, sprinkle a few spoonfuls of OxyClean powder onto a damp sponge and scrub the entire surface of the tub or shower. Finally, rinse the surfaces with hot water. Be careful if you're standing barefoot in the tub or shower while you clean, since the bottom will be slippery. Number 5. Best for removing grout. Tackle stubborn grime or stains between your tiles with OxyClean paste. Give your tile floor or backsplash an instant facelift. Use the scoop that came with your OxyClean and fill it half full. Pour this into a bowl and mix a few spoonfuls of water to make a paste. Then, dip a toothbrush or scrubbing sponge into the paste and work it onto the grout. Let it sit for 5 to 30 minutes and rinse it off. The longer you leave the paste on the grout, the deeper it will penetrate and the more it will lift stains. Number 6. Clean your range hood filter. Remove the greasy buildup above your stove so your filter sparkles. If you're tired of looking at a grimy range hood while you're cooking, it's time to clean the filter. Fill a bucket with boiling hot water and dissolve 1 OxyClean scoop of powder in it. Then, pop off your filter and submerge it. Let it soak for up to 30 minutes before you take it out and rinse it off. You don't need to scrub the filter after it's soaked unless there's really tough grease buildup. In general, clean your filter twice a year. If you fry food frequently, plan on cleaning your hood range filter more often. Number 7. Best for cleaning washing machine. Give your hard-working machine some TLC to prevent mildew. It's especially important to clean front-loading machines since water can get trapped between the rubber seal. Fortunately, all you do is pour 1 OxyClean washing machine cleaner pouch into the empty machine and run a cleaning or regular cycle. Then, wipe off any residue and leave the door open so the machine dries. The cleaning pouches are designed to remove musty smells from your machine, so run a cleaning cycle every month or whenever you notice funky odors. Number 8. Best for cleaning your dishwasher. Use OxyClean to get your dishwasher in great shape. If you've noticed residue on dishes or it seems like the machine's not cleaning enough, it's time to clean the dishwasher. Fill a bucket with 1 US gal, 3.8 L of hot water and fill an OxyClean scoop up to line 4. Pour the powder into the water and mix until it's dissolved. Then, dip a sponge or brush into it and scrub the inside of your dishwasher. Let it sit for 30 minutes and then run a cycle. Plan on cleaning your dishwasher at least once a month or more often if you run it several times a day. Number 9. Refresh your garbage or compost bins. Scrub the empty bins so they smell clean and fresh. Take your bins outside to make cleanup easier, and mix together an OxyClean solution to dissolve a full scoop of OxyClean in 1 US gal, 3.8 L of warm water. Then, dip a sponge or scrub brush into it and scrub the inside of your garbage can or compost bin. Rinse out the bin with cool water and dry it. You can even pour the solution directly into the bin and swish it around if you want to be really thorough. While it's fine to pour the solution into a metal trash can that has a removable plastic bin, don't let the solution get onto the metal itself since it could corrode it. Number 10. Fresh and smelly sports equipment. Wash deep dirt, sweat, and grass stains out of your uniform. Dissolve a full scoop of OxyClean in 1 US gal, 3.8 L of water and submerge your stained sports gear. Soak it for 1 to 6 hours. Then, take the uniform out and stick it in the washing machine. Run a regular cycle and don't forget to add 1 scoop of OxyClean. If you're trying to get sweat stains out of baseball caps or remove stains from sneakers, mix a paste solution and use a toothbrush to scrub it onto the stain. Let it sit for about 5 minutes before you rinse it off. Number 11. Sanitize your kid toys. Sanitize plastic toys or remove stains from stuffed toys. Fill your OxyClean scoop up to line 1 and pour it into a bowl. Stir in 2 470 ml of warm water and dip a cloth or sponge into it. Dab the solution onto the stain. If you're cleaning plastic toys, just put them into the bowl to soak for 30 minutes. Then, rinse off the toys or blot the stuffed animal with a damp cloth. Kid strollers also get notoriously dirty, but they're actually really easy to clean. Use the OxyClean solution you made for stuffed animals and dab it onto stroller stains. Then, blot the area with a damp cloth. Number 12. Deodorize and wash pet supplies. Freshen up bedding and toys to remove pet odors and stains. Fill a sink or bucket with hot water and stir in a full OxyClean scoop for every 1 US gal, 3.8 L of water. Submerge the pet item and soak it for 1 to 6 hours. Then, put soft items like bedding into the laundry machine and run a regular load. For plastic or rubber toys, remove them from the solution and rinse them. For the best results, use OxyClean Odor Blaster's versatile stain and odor remover. To clean hard surfaces like a pet carrier, dip a sponge in the OxyClean solution and scrub the item. Then, wipe it off with a damp sponge. Number 13. Make your patio furniture looking like new. Get your outdoor chairs and table looking like new. If you leave your patio table or deck chairs out all year long, they can start to look worn down. To make a powerful cleaning solution, fill an OxyClean scoop up to line 4 and mix it into 1 US gal, 3.8 L of warm water. Then, dip a sponge into the solution and scrub the patio furniture thoroughly before you rinse it off. If there are visible stains on your patio cushions or the umbrella for your patio table, make an OxyClean paste and work it into the stain before you rinse it off. Number 14. Deck or concrete. Restore your driveway or get your deck ready for summer. If your deck is starting to look a little dingy, clean it with OxyClean solution. Clear furniture from the deck and use a hose to spray it off. Pour 2 US gal, 7.6 L of warm water into a big bucket and mix in 2 cups, 240 g of OxyClean along with 1,4C, 59 ml of liquid dish soap. Dip a scrub brush in the solution and scrub the deck before you rinse it off. If you're trying to lift oil stains from concrete, let the solution sit for up to 30 minutes before you rinse it off. Number 15. Make old sneakers look good as new. Crisp, white sneakers seemed like a good idea at the time, but you might regret that decision after a rainy day. You can use OxyClean to wash those muddy canvas sneakers and get them looking almost like they came out of the box. Soak the shoes in hot water, add a scoop of OxyClean powder, and let sit for up to 2 hours. When you return, rinse the shoes and dump that nasty brown water down the drain. Number 16. Disinfect and clean your kitchen. Like most people, you probably spend a lot of time in your kitchen, prepping and eating meals and hanging out with other household members. But being the heart of the home, the kitchen can get pretty gross pretty fast. Luckily, OxyClean is safe to use on stainless steel, granite, and porcelain. Use OxyClean Daily Clean Multi-Purpose Disinfectant to clean your kitchen backsplash, countertops, cooktop, tile floors, food-stained kitchen towels, cabinets and knobs, microwave, fridge, baseboards. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Do you use both OxyClean and detergent? Yes, in most laundry washing scenarios, it's common to use both OxyClean and detergent. OxyClean is meant to be a laundry additive that helps to boost the cleaning power of your detergent. It's particularly effective at removing tough stains, brightening whites, and revitalizing colors. However, OxyClean is not a detergent on its own. It doesn't contain the surfactants needed to lift and remove dirt and oils from fabrics. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.